How to watch YouTube on Carplay. So before going to the Carplay setup, get your iPhone ready, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and find the video you want to watch. Tap the share button below the video and scroll down and select copy link. You can also use the YouTube app to play music through Carplay. So open the YouTube app, find the video, tap share button, scroll down and select copy link, load in Safari, and now that you have the link copied, load it in Safari. Open Safari on your iPhone and paste the link in the address bar. The YouTube video should show up on Safari page. Tap the full screen icon to make the video fill the screen. Open the Safari on your iPhone, paste the link in the address bar, wait for the YouTube video to load on the Safari page. Tap the full screen icon to make the video fill the screen. And that is how you can watch YouTube on Carplay.